So magandang araw ka bola, malamang po marami sa atin na maganda po ang tulog in the past few days matapos nga pong gumawa sa Pilipinas, or to be more specific, ni Justin Brownlee Kabola para mailid ang ating pong national team patungo po sa kanilang first appearance sa finals Kabola sa Asian Games. It's a remarkable feat Kabola, and we need to talk about it. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe Kabola, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Pero before we go there, diba, pag-usapan natin Kabola, ito pong isa pa pong parte ng atin pong mga videos, which is of course yung mga comments po. So sabi dito ni NS9, daming pangalan, hindi na yan mawawala ang farm team dahil walang limit ang salary ng mga players. Kinain ng NBA, kaya magbayad ito ng mga ibang teams owners, kaya binibenta nila players nila ibang team, kaya magbayad ng malaki. Okay, so ganito yan, no? Meron pong limit Kabola, hanggang 420 nga lang yung maximum salary. That's the reality. Pero to be fair din naman, of course, yung iba pong part ng contract, mukhang dun tayo hindi sure kung may limit. Like, alam mo nga, winning bonus, ganun po. And then, kung meron ba talagang nandun sa kanila pong mga legal or guidelines Kabola that they are not allowed to provide Kabola, diba? Yung mga, kumbaga, bayad for advertisement Kabola, mga ganun, klase po ng mga bayad. No? So, hindi na tayo aware doon, diba? Kasi hindi naman po full disclose yung rules, guidelines po ng PBA. And we all know, of course, that it's also not fully followed. Diba? Pero nevertheless, at the end of the day, diba? So, these farm teams can be eroded. Depende lang po talaga yan sa management. It can be. Kasi you can create laws against it para po siya yung masunod. Now, going back po, dun tayo sa good news na. So, alis muna tayo sa mga negative vibes. Again, congratulations to Gilas. When this team was crafted, yung mga issues and etc. po regarding this team was happening, yung creation and etc. Medyo hindi natin pinapansin po siya personally kasi nakapokus tayo sa mga effect po ng draft, impact po nung 2023 PBA draft. Pero overall Kabola, of course, respect sa nagawa po ni Justin Brownlee, respect sa ginawa po nitong si Coach Tim Cone. Coach Tim Cone Kabola, diba? Ayaw niya tong job na to. He knows, diba? Hindi naman siya tanga eh. So, ayaw niya nun. Pero wala eh. Pinili siya eh. RSA na yung nagsalita and he accepted it. And pinapakita niya talaga that he is still the best coach in the PBA. Which is, for me, it's not really a good sign of the level of maturity of our coaching in the Philippines. Kasi nga, medyo may edad na rin si Coach Tim Cone. Pero overall, still, it just reflects kung how legendary of a coach itong si Coach Tim Cone. Actually, in reality naman si Coach Tim Cone, siya mismo eh. Very honest siya na coach kasi minsan eh. That he admits that he's already losing hope during that game, and then suddenly, Justin Brownlee, the Superman, appears to save the day. And for me, that is the greatest comeback in the history of Philippine basketball. It is very crucial. Knowing what is happening, di ba, sa atin pong West Philippines si Kabola, that is a crucial victory. A victory that is not only about sports, a victory that reflects our value, Kabola, of that never say die attitude, Kabola. Hindi naman yan lumagablab ang kasikatan because of just the popularity of Ginebra, but because it's really a value of a Filipino, and pinakita po yan dito sa pagkapanalo nga po na ito. And for us, alam naman na natin, we embrace ito nga pong si Justin Brownlee already as our own. The guy is very humble Kabola. Napakadami, wala kang masabing masamang tinapay dito kay Justin Brownlee. And of course, that 2 trays Kabola, I think those, meron pa bang mas epic pa na back-to-back 3-pointers sa history po ng Philippine basketball? Sabi ko, mayroon ba bang mas epic pa na comeback, mas importante pa na comeback Kabola sa history ng Philippine basketball? I think that is the most important comeback ever. And it is also the most amazing comeback ever. Kasi talaga namang papag-give up ka ni. They are leading by 7 points, less than 2 minutes. Papag-give up ka na talaga. Pero, sabi ko nga, Justin Brownlee happened. For me, Justin Brownlee is just so special. Pero then suddenly, of course, some fans will now point about the intrigue about that siya dapat yung napili po for the World Cup, etc. Come on, diba? Come on. Wag na yung mga ganyang diskusyon, Kabola. Tapos na yun eh. Diba? And I do not even want to speak negative about what just transpired or Justin Brownlee at this point. The guy is a legend. He deserves a statue, Kabola, in Philippine basketball. And for me, it's the Michael Jordan of Philippine basketball. Itong ginawa niya na to, sunod din of Michael Jordan. I'm not sure kung kailan po ito ma-post, pero malamang nangyari na po yung laban ng Jordan. Pero still, for me, this is all about that game against China. Kahit pa matalo si Jordan, that's fine. And history already happened. Kababa, sa palagay mo, gaano kalaki po ito pagkapanalo po ng Gilas kontra China? Comment na po sa baba.